The West Valley Juvenile Detention and Assessment Center was once one of San Bernardino County's primary facilities for youth in the justice system. But for many young people, this facility became a place of abuse instead of rehabilitation. Located in Rancho Cucamonga, West Valley opened in the late 1990s and could house up to 182 juveniles awaiting adjudication. It closed in 2011, following funding cuts. But long before this, troubling allegations had surfaced. According to a U.S. Department of Justice survey, more than 8% of juveniles at West Valley reported being sexually abused by staff between 2008 and 2009. These reports sparked public outrage and exposed deep failures in how San Bernardino County supervised its juvenile detention centers. Other county facilities, including the Central Valley and High Desert Juvenile Detention Centers, have faced similar lawsuits from survivors who say they were sexually assaulted by probation officers, counselors, and other staff. Some claims date as far back as the 1970s. The lawsuits allege that San Bernardino County failed to properly train or screen staff, ignored complaints, and allowed a culture of silence to persist. For survivors, the trauma has lasted for decades. Under California's Assembly Bill 218, survivors of childhood sexual assault can file civil claims until age 40, or within 5 years of realizing that their trauma was caused by abuse. Even if the facility has been closed for years, survivors can still pursue justice. Reporting the abuse, whether to local law enforcement or the Bureau of Children's Justice, helps create a record that can support both civil and criminal cases. Survivors may also be eligible to seek compensation for therapy, medical expenses, and emotional suffering. Helping survivors connects individuals directly with experienced lawyers who understand these cases and can help explore your legal options. These attorneys work on a contingency basis, which means you pay nothing upfront and no legal fees at all unless they win compensation for you. Reach out to Helping Survivors today to learn more about your rights and legal steps you can take.